Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just playing with my needle. It's a blue needle and just waiting for my package. So let's wait with me, guys. Look at this glue, and guys, it actually smells good. And yeah, it looks like an ice ball, an ice cube, and guys, do you hear that? That sounds like my package. Let me go get it. This is the package. Oh, guys, look at this. The mushroom one is cute. Awesome. But guys, I don't think you're ready for the last one. It's too good. Let's do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The big reveal. Now let's put my needle right here in the box on the front. Okay, which one should we do first? Let's save the axolotl for last. Let's do the blue first. We gotta mix colors. Oh, my needle fell on the floor. Let's open it. Okay. Oh, it's sticky. I noticed it complete. That was sticky. So now, I think we're gonna need to bring that back. But let's just get everything out. I think this is gonna make purple, because why does they got all this purple stuff? That makes no sense. Okay. So let's just take it out of the container first and just play with it. Guys, you see the consistency? Oh, this looks good. I don't think this is gonna be able to make a bubble, but if it can, that would be so good. So guys, just look at it. We're gonna have to mix it, but I don't wanna mix it. But it's okay. But guys, comment down below if y'all want me to do any more drawing videos, because I know y'all missed them. Yeah. So if y'all missed them, well, I hope y'all missed them. But yeah, if y'all missed them, comment down below. Wait, guys, this smells so good. It smells like raspberry, but like maybe like a candy raspberry, or like the juice, like not the juice, like the freezy, like the slow. Okay guys, sorry for the malfunction, but now I'm back and I can open this. So let's open it. Let's put this last, but let's see. We need to open these. Wait, let's see if we can put these back. But Mom, can you get me scissors, please?
Sure.
I cannot open it. I'm just trying to get all the slime off. They should have put it on the top, but it's still pretty cool. Pretty nice, pretty fancy. Look at it, it's so cool. Like, oh my goodness, thank you. Prime shipping, thank you. Prime shipping. Okay, let's cut it up. Okay. Cut, snip, snip, snip. Oh my goodness. It opened. Move. No, not in the slime. I see it. Oh my goodness, guys, look how pretty it is. I want y'all to see this. Hold on, guys. Look at the slime. Look at it. Guys, I can't even see it right now. Only y'all can see it. Y'all can see the beautiful view. I think one is gonna be enough, but we'll see when we mix the first one in. My goodness. Let me cut it some more, cause I cannot really do it. So let's cut it some more. But that was barely even anything. Hold on, guys. Oops. Okay, now it's better. Okay, guys. This is so fabulous. Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm making a recipe. Oh guys, let's mix it up. Guys, I didn't add anything to it. Okay. You see, there's nothing in my slime. Nothing in my slime, guys. See, it's just normally glittery. Do you see that? I mean, nothing. It's normally glittery. Y'all can't even see it forever. I think we're gonna have to add the other pack. I knew this would happen. Let's put the swans on the. See, it's normally glittery. No color. Oh yeah, now it's showing. I still want to add the other one to give it some more pop in it. Glimmer. Glimmer. Oh. Okay, let's cut it. A big piece this time, not no little piece. Hurry up. Snip, snip. Faster. Okay. Oh, now I got it, guys. It's not gonna be long. Hold on, guys. I got an idea. Let's put it right here. I really like this slime. It's so cool. I'm gonna be playing with it so much, and I might play it again with it again on the channel. Okay, 3, 2, 1, plop. That's it. Y'all didn't even see it for real. Bro, it's funny how not most of it, but some of it is just literally just going on the table. This literally like adds volume to it. Yo, like my slime. It's gonna magically turn more glittery with the touch of my hand because I got magic hands. Oh, you hear that pop? Oh my goodness, guys, this is so cool. Let's move all of this to the side, except for this because we're gonna add this last. But we have to move it. Let's move everything. Guys, my needle matches it. That's so cool. But it just got dirty. Because remember, it fell on the floor. Yeah, let's move this. I have to clean up after this. Because I threw the box on the floor and there's glitter. You know, glitter's hard to clean up. But it's okay. I'm still going to clean it up, of course. It's hygiene. Oh my goodness. That's not even hygiene. Anyways, here, let's just push it back a little bit. Oh my goodness, God. Let's just have a moment of silence. That ASMR. 3, 2, 1. Sorry. Ooh. Oh, okay. Because it was stuck in the table. Okay, I'll leave it out. So, guys, I give this one a 7.5 out of 10. If it wasn't for the blue, was my. I like teal, but this is like a blue. This is like a more darker blue. So, I give it a. Actually, I'll give it an 8, a solid 8. It's actually pretty cool. I love this song. And that's why I said an 8 because the scent, it gives it extra points. It smells so good. So let's, oh, I forgot about the main part. The charm. I feel bad for the charm. It's just going to be hanging here. I'm not going to mix it in with the slime though because we're going to put it in the container. But yeah, it's a decent 8. I like it. It's so cool. Let's put it in the middle for when I play with it again. You could just see it. It could be red. It could be red, you know? Let's take the best for last and go with the purple. Wait, I was right. It was blue raspberry. But yeah, they have the scent. So this one, my hand smells so good. This one smells like sweet grape scented. Okay. Let's take this off. I want y'all to do the honors. Take it off. Rip it. Oh, it's my bad. Oh, my goodness. That was so hard for y'all. Let me do it for y'all. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. What the? I did it. Oh yeah, that was the other way. Oh my goodness. Let me just shut up a bit. Technical difficulties here, people. It's not my fault. I mean, that's not my fault. Okay. Anyways, we have pink glitter. Okay. Girl. Oh my goodness. Oh my bruh. Okay. Glamour. Okay, guys. Oh. Don't do that. My goodness, they're so sticky. Let's put these two in the charm. And then we're gonna take it out. I don't think I wanna mix this though. I feel like it'll look, I'm not gonna mix so much this time, but I feel like it'll just look good without all the mixing. So we're just gonna mix it a little bit, but not fully, like the fill a bit. You know how we did the first one? Ooh, that already looks good. Let me smell it. I'm gonna stop it right there. Oh God, look at the design. And it smells so good. It does smell like grape. And I love eating grapes, so. Oh my goodness, just too good. So let's put these in early because all I was doing was playing with this one. So yeah. Okay, let's just put all the excess. Now, I'm good, guys. Okay. Yummy. Hurry up. Chop, chop. Not my finger, but chop, chop. Bruh. I'm gonna smack you. Yay. Okay. Ooh, I got an idea since this one is like a little cone. We're gonna do this. This is perfect. This one so far, I feel like it's better than the last. Oh, okay. 3, 2, 1. I got the glamour. Guys, look at it. Look at it, yum. Look at it, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Sorry, it's not yummy. I still have some of the orange sprigs. I don't want it to mix. Let's mix this stuff. See, guys, I did nothing. There was nothing there. Ooh. I wish I could like. That sounds so cool, guys. I'm sorry, okay. Okay, let's mix. My goodness, this looks so cool. Oh my goodness. Actually, before I actually mix it all the way, oh my goodness, let's put the other one, cause like it's coming out. So that only makes sense, I guess. Oh my goodness. My arm is trying to give up on me. Sorry. Okay. Ooh. That was the other one. I guess it's gonna be the beauty of both. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm so sorry. Oh, there was already a cut for it. Well, it's okay. I already have this, so. Okay, sorry for all the like quietness, but I just had to focus. So now let's do it. That just sounds so cool. Okay, let's mix. Oh my goodness, it's gonna go on the table. I don't want this to like, I guess it's already mixed.